Hello guys, and today I will show you how to set up your first Sonos system with help of this Sonos Roam speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to download the Sonos application and then open it. After we open it, we need to click this button, speaker or component. After this, we would need to accept their terms of use. We just list down and press accept. Then the application would ask us to sync in. We press continue and follow all of the instructions which are shown on the screen. And after you logged in, the Sonos applications ask you to allow Sonos to use Bluetooth. We just click continue and allow. Then they want to use your location. We also need to continue, allow while using app. We click on that. Then we need to allow Sonos the network access. We press continue and allow. Then the Sonos application is asking us to turn on the notifications, but it's not necessary because it only shows the new system features, product releases and offers and promotions. We just click continue and don't allow. After this, the Sonos application would try to find your product. If the Sonos applications won't see your product, you can firstly try to connect it to your phone with a Bluetooth. We open the Bluetooth settings, and then we need to take our speaker and hold this button for a few seconds until we hear a sound. Like this. And after the speaker is blinking by blue, it means it's ready to connect. On the Bluetooth settings, we see our speaker, Sonos Roam. We click on it, and it's successfully connected. Then we are back on the Sonos application and we are waiting while it finds our speaker. After the Sonos application successfully finds your device, it will show you short and easy instructions to add your device right into the Sonos application. After you are done, you will be on your homepage. And right on this homepage, you will see tab named Your Services. Right here, you can add your favorite services for listening music and manage them right into the Sonos application. For example, I added Spotify and it's showing all of my favorite playlists and songs. After you are done, you can start listening your favorite music right into the Sonos application. Also, if you want to enjoy your favorite music without the Sonos application, as I showed on the start of this video, you can just connect your speaker to your phone with Bluetooth and enjoy your favorite music with your favorite services without the Sonos application. But also on the Sonos application, you can add voice assistant and control your speaker with your voice. That was all for today. Thank you for watching.